joins us now. Mr. Chaudhary, good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Very
Let's first talk about how things have progressed for the quarter gone by for NHPC. Can you just introduce first the big picture for our viewers? And it's a company which essentially is in hydral power. They generate power from hydral, which is water. So what are the dynamics at play for you?
Q4 result, we have the increase of our Q4 profit. So profit after tax is almost 600 crore. We have the increase in comparison to the corresponding previous year. Hydropower, yes, you are right. The hydropower generation, it is a clean energy, green energy, and renewable sources of energy. And we NHPC are proud to add our 800 megawatt Parvati 2 project during this April month, last month. We have added 800 megawatt green energy, renewable energy.
Okay. I'll jump into the next obvious question, the impact of Indus Water Treaty. Now, I'm not getting into what the government decision is, but for NHPC, will the availability of water change? Will anything change at all for NHPC's generation business and their distribution business with the changes which are happening on the water sharing front?
Due to Indus Water Treaty in place, there were a lot of restrictions in the operation of the reservoir, in the sediment management. So a lot of restrictions were there. Now the Indus Water Treaty is kept in abeyance. So now we have 8 power stations in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So on river Indus, Jhelum and Chenab river. So total and tributaries, total 8 power stations. So now we can operate the power stations and operate the reservoir and do the sediment management as per the requirement of the power station to enhance the efficiency and productivity of the power station. On the other side, we have our 4 projects under construction on river Chenab, and we will expedite the construction and completion of these 4 hydro projects on river Chenab, that is Kiru, Kuwar, Pakaldul and Ratle. Apart from that, there are other projects in the pipeline. So there is a lot of emphasis to start the construction of those projects which were in the pipeline, and we have already gone for tendering. So Uri 1 stage 2, 240 megawatt on river Jhelum. So we have already floated the NIT, notice inviting tender. Again, we are going to start the Dulhasti stage 2, 260 megawatt. So by the end of this month, we are going to float the tender. And the Sawalkot is 1856 megawatt on river Chenab. So we are going to start the Sawalkot also. These are the things we are looking the possibility to start some more projects on river Chenab like Kirthai 2, on river Indus, some project possibility to start. So these are the things, a good opportunity for NHPC.
So if somebody is, let's say, trying to understand the immediate impact is that the generation in this quarter should go down. I'm trying to put things, I'm just trying to assemble things here, right, sir? Because of the new water treaty, there are challenges at the reservoir level, and if reservoir challenges are there, less water is available for generation. That technically means that generation will go down and the plant load factors in this quarter should remain low.
Yeah. So for the operating power plants, we were not doing the silt flushing and we were not doing the reservoir lowering function because of the restrictions especially in the Uri 1 and Uri 2. So there was a lot of clogging of the trash rack and we were not allowed to lower the reservoir and to clean the trash racks. So now it is allowed, all those functions are allowed, and we can, with this, with the silt management function and the management of the trashes, we can increase the generation of the operating power stations marginally. So like we assess URI 2, we can increase the generation by 30 million units annually.
So, Mr. Chaudhary, looking ahead, you already have 15% of India's hydropower capacity, 50% share is under construction projects as well. Tell me, what kind of EPS growth can we anticipate in the next 1 year from you?
Yes, during the financial year 26, we are we are encouraged. We have just commissioned 800 megawatt project Parvati 2 in the month of April, and Suvansi lower 2000 megawatt. We have started the reservoir filling, and we are anticipating that we will start commissioning of the generating units next month. So from June onwards, and we will commission entire 8 units by May 26. So that will be the increase. Another project in the pipeline, solar project, 300 megawatt Bikaner. So out of that, 107 megawatt we have already commissioned in the month of April. 53 megawatt we are going to commission by the month end, this month end. And the entire 300 megawatt capacity we are going to commission by August. So August of this year. 120 megawatt Rangit 4 we are going to commission by December 25. So these are the projects in the pipeline which is going to add the top line and bottom line of this financial year, and we are hopeful that we will increase the by 25% of our revenue and profit.
All right, but Mr. Chaudhary, what about the margins? A 25% guidance is what you have already given, but so many Capex plans underway, and obviously this Indus Water Treaty expected to benefit. Give us some sense. How do you see the margin shaping up?
Yes. Margin will go high. Earning per share, we are anticipating that 25% increase will be there. So far, the Capex is concerned. This year we have achieved the Capex almost, and the next year we have the Capex of 13,000. We are now hopeful that with the Indus Water Treaty kept in abeyance, there is a lot of emphasis to start the new projects in the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So though we are hopeful that we will increase the Capex of 13,000 during the financial year 26.
All right, Mr. Chaudhary, with this, we'll let you go on that. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us.
Thank you.
So a quick look at the markets, what we are up to. So Nifty actually down more than 200 points.